1891, a railway line started from Tallarook. Actually, virtually it started from Melbourne, went to Tallarook near Seymour, that diverted from Tallarook right through to Yea, a place called Yea, Bonnie Doon, which is known as the Doon, and ended right here in Mansfield. This is the end of the line, and it's a railway station here, abandoned. And welcome to another episode of TREV'S Bushland Adventures. And yes, we're here at Mansfield railway station, abandoned. There's lots of history here. The carriages here still remain, and so it's the time of the past. Let's have a look at it. We'll check it out. The former Mansfield railway station building now serves tourists to the community as a visitor centre. The station is of a traditional timber design and features many original fixtures, including pressed metal interior walls, original doors and timber panelling, and a full-length signal bay window. Original light fittings are also in place inside the station building. The station is the terminus of the former Tallarook-Yea-Mansfield line. The Mansfield train service ran its last service in 1978 with a Walker rail motor on stretches of track that in parts had 15 miles per hour speed restrictions due to the lack of track maintenance. By then, the state government owned Victorian Railways. Goods and freight services continued on the line until 6 months later, when they were also discontinued. Additional structures on site, including a large goods shed bearing a warning notice, danger, unstable structure, do not enter. A crane is also located in what was the goods yard in the Mansfield goods platform. The rail was dismantled 10 years later, and part of the former rails reserve has been used in road and highway realignments. The whole of the line from Tallarook to Mansfield had been developed into the Great Victorian Rail Trail, a crushed gravel walking, bicycle and equestrian path. There is no anticipated return of the rail services to Mansfield. The last passenger service was in 1977. That was the last passenger. And then in 1978 the whole station, the railway service finished. It ended 1978. So all those years since 1891, that's a lot of time. That's a lot of time. So this is one of the carriages, and has lots of memorabilia, photos, lots of history. So yeah, so let's get aboard. Check it out, eh? There. When you come here to Mansfield railway station, make sure you check out the visitor centre. It gives you an idea of what's around in the area, and make sure you check out the history of the railway station too as well. So that's lots to see, and check it out. What do you think this is? I don't know. What is it? What is it? This is inside the carriage, and lots of brick and brack memorabilia and the history, and look at the old telephone. Breakdown and equipment. Lots of history here. The Mansfield railway station began from 7th of May 1891. Rail line from Melbourne then diverted from Tallerook, yea to Mansfield. And the last passenger, 28th of May 1977. The last train service in 1978 with a Walker rail motor on stretches of the track, and that ended the rail service in Mansfield. When you come here to Mansfield railway station, feel free to roam around and capture the past of what it used to be. This was a very noisy railway station in its time, and you will find there is a tourist centre information, give you all information around the Mansfield area as well. There's lots to do, and of course we come here. That used to be the rail line, now it's turned into a rail trail for bicycle users and the like. And we have a crane, and it's just a reminder of the past of what it used to be. Well, I hope you enjoyed Mansfield Railway Station. You can hear a pin drop now these days. Yes. So, I've been really enjoyed it.